chapter 22, verse 1.
And it came to pass after these things, that God did tempt Abraham, and said to him, Abraham. And he said, Behold, here I am.
Chapitre 22. Il arriva, après ces choses, que Dieu éprouva Abraham, et il lui dit, Abraham. Et il répondit, Me voici.
And he said, Take now your son, your only son Isaac, whom you love, and get you into the land of Moriah, and offer him there for a burnt offering on one of the mountains which I will tell you of.
Et il dit, Prends ton fils, ton unique, celui que tu aimes, Isaac, et va-t'en au pays de Morija, et la offre-le en holocauste, sur une des montagnes que je te dirai.
And Abraham rose up early in the morning, and saddled his ass, and took 2 of his young men with him, and Isaac his son, and split the wood for the burnt offering, and rose up, and went to the place of which God had told him.
Et Abraham se leva de bon matin, bâta son âne, prit 2 de ses serviteurs avec lui, et Isaac son fils. Il fendit du bois pour l'holocauste, puis il partit et s'en alla vers le lieu que Dieu lui avait dit.
Then on the 3rd day Abraham lifted up his eyes, and saw the place afar off.
Le 3e jour, Abraham, levant les yeux, vit le lieu de loin.
And Abraham said to his young men, Abide you here with the ass, and I and the lad will go yonder and worship, and come again to you.
Et Abraham dit à ses serviteurs, Demeurez ici avec l'âne. Moi et l'enfant nous irons jusque-là, et nous adorerons, puis nous reviendrons vers vous.
And Abraham took the wood of the burnt offering, and laid it on Isaac his son, and he took the fire in his hand, and a knife, and they went both of them together.
Et Abraham prit le bois de l'holocauste, et le mit sur Isaac son fils. Puis il prit dans sa main le feu et le couteau, et ils s'en allèrent tous 2 ensemble.
And Isaac spoke to Abraham his father, and said, My father. And he said, Here am I, my son. And he said, Behold the fire and the wood, but where is the lamb for a burnt offering?
Alors Isaac parla à Abraham son père, et dit, Mon père. Abraham répondit, Me voici, mon fils. Et il dit, Voici le feu et le bois, mais où est l'agneau pour l'holocauste?
And Abraham said, My son, God will provide himself a lamb for a burnt offering. So they went both of them together.
Et Abraham répondit, Mon fils, Dieu se pourvoira à lui-même de l'agneau pour l'holocauste. Et ils marchèrent tous 2 ensemble.
And they came to the place which God had told him of, and Abraham built an altar there, and laid the wood in order, and bound Isaac his son, and laid him on the altar on the wood.
Et ils vinrent au lieu que Dieu lui avait dit, et Abraham y bâtit l'autel, et rangea le bois, et il lia Isaac son fils, et le mit sur l'autel, par-dessus le bois.
And Abraham stretched forth his hand, and took the knife to slay his son.
Puis Abraham étendit les mains, et prit le couteau pour égorger son fils.
And the angel of the Lord called to him out of heaven, and said, Abraham, Abraham. And he said, Here am I.
Mais l'ange de l'Éternel lui cria des cieux, et dit, Abraham, Abraham. Et il répondit, Me voici.
And he said, Lay not your hand on the lad, neither do you anything to him. For now I know that you fear God, seeing you have not withheld your son, your only son from me.
Et il dit, Ne porte pas ta main sur l'enfant, et ne lui fais rien. Car maintenant je sais que tu crains Dieu, puisque tu ne m'as pas refusé ton fils, ton unique.
And Abraham lifted up his eyes, and looked, and behold behind him a ram caught in a thicket by his horns. And Abraham went and took the ram, and offered him up for a burnt offering in the stead of his son.
Et Abraham leva les yeux et regarda, et voici derrière lui un bélier, retenu dans un buisson par les cornes. Alors Abraham alla prendre le bélier, et l'offrit en holocauste à la place de son fils.
And Abraham called the name of that place Jehovah-Jireh, as it is said to this day, In the mount of the Lord it shall be seen.
Et Abraham appela ce lieu-là Jéva-Jireh, l'Éternel y pourvoira. De sorte qu'on dit aujourd'hui, sur la montagne de l'Éternel il y sera pourvu.
And the angel of the Lord called to Abraham out of heaven the second time.
Et l'ange de l'Éternel cria des cieux à Abraham pour la seconde fois,
and said, By myself have I sworn, said the Lord, for because you have done this thing, and have not withheld your son, your only son.
et dit, je jure par moi-même, dit l'Éternel, que, puisque tu as fait cela, et que tu n'as point refusé ton fils, ton unique,
that in blessing I will bless you, and in multiplying I will multiply your seed as the stars of the heaven, and as the sand which is on the seashore, and your seed shall possess the gate of his enemies.
Je te bénirai certainement, et je multiplierai ta postérité comme les étoiles des cieux, et comme le sable qui est sur le bord de la mer, et ta postérité possédera la porte de ses ennemis.
And in your seed shall all the nations of the earth be blessed, because you have obeyed my voice.
Et toutes les nations de la terre seront bénies en ta postérité, parce que tu as obéi à ma voix.
So Abraham returned to his young men, and they rose up and went together to Beersheba, and Abraham dwelled at Beersheba.
Alors Abraham retourna vers ses serviteurs, et ils se levèrent et s'en allèrent ensemble à Beersheba, et Abraham demeura à Beersheba.
And it came to pass after these things, that it was told Abraham, saying, Behold, Milcah, she has also borne children to your brother Nahor.
Or, après ces choses, on fit rapport à Abraham, en disant, Voici, Milca a enfanté, elle aussi, des enfants à Nachor ton frère,
who's his firstborn, and was his brother, and Kemuel the father of Aram.
Eut son premier-né, Bu son frère, Kemuel, père d'Aram,
and Chest, and Hazo, and Pildash, and Jidlaph, and Bethuel.
Kézed, Azo, Pildash, Jidlaph et Bethuel.
And Bethuel begat Rebekah. These 8 Milcah did bear to Nahor, Abraham, brother.
Et Bethuel engendré Rebekah. Milca enfanta ses 8 à Nachor, frère d'Abraham.
And his concubine, whose name was Reumah, she bore also Tebah, and Gaham, and Taash, and Maachah.
Et sa concubine, nommée Reumah, enfanta, elle aussi, Teba, Gam, Tash et Maca.